Hello dear kids, how are you all? So today we are going to learn the new chapter, the second chapter, that is the Earth, our home. Before I start about what is chapter, in the previous chapter we learnt about there are 8 planets in the solar system. How many planets, children? There are 8 planets in the solar system. Solar system. Alva? How many planets? 8 planets in the solar system. And the Earth is the third planet. Earth is the third planet. Earth is the third planet in the solar system. 8 planets idave solar system nalli. Which are those? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These are the 8 planets in the solar system, and Earth is the third planet. And today we are going to learn about the chapter that is the Earth, and Earth is our home. ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅರ್ತ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆನೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ. But your home is situated, your home is located, or your home is built on the planet called as the Earth. Got it? So today we are going to learn about the Earth. Alright. So do you know that Earth is the home for all the living beings? You can see all kinds of living beings on this planet. You can see animals, you can see birds, you can see trees, right? You can see rainfall, you can see summer, you can see different seasons also. So the Earth is the planet which is home for all the living beings. Different insects, you can see snakes, you can see insects, ants, you can see earthworms, right? You can see different animals like dog, cat, lion, tiger, deer, bear, all the different animals you can see, and also human beings like us. You can see me, you can see your parents, you can see all your friends and all different people living on this Earth. So Earth is the home for all the living beings. There are numerous of forests, there are numerous of rivers on this Earth, there are many countries, there are many continents on this Earth. So Earth is the home for, see, Earth is home for all living beings. Not just living beings, also non-living beings. Alright? So Earth is the home for all the living beings. Do you know why it is called as the home for all the living beings? Because the Earth is the only planet that has life. Why? Because Earth is the only planet. Earth mel matra life ide. Understood? The Earth is the only planet that also has got air. Air is present on Earth. Air means the oxygen that you breathe in, right? The carbon dioxide that you breathe out. All the gases, all these gases that you can breathe are found on Earth. Understood? So Earth is called as the Earth has got life, only life, because it is surrounded by layer of Earth. Layer of Earth yav tara? See, I tell you, a human body is always covered with clothes. Why? Because to protect it from harmful things, right? A human body is covered with clothes, right? You wear clothes every day. Why do you wear clothes? To protect your body from harmful things, to protect your body, to cover your body from harmful rays of the sun, and to not to get injured, right? In the same way, the earth has got different layers. So one more example, if I tell you, a ball, have you seen a football or a volleyball? The ball has got one tube inside, do you know? And the air is filled inside the ball. Alva? The outer cover of the ball always covers the tube present inside. There is a balloon like tube inside. Gotta? Our tube nalle you fill the air. That is why the ball looks big in size. When you when you fill the air inside the ball, when you pump the air inside the ball actually becomes bigger in size. That is because The same way the earth is covered with many layers because it should get protected. Alva? You need protection, right? You need protection from cold. If you feel cold, you wear an extra cloth, that is you wear a sweater. Alva? Ade tara the earth to protect itself has got many layers, and these layers are called as atmosphere, and this layer is called as atmosphere. Enanta karitare idakke? Atmosphere. And this atmosphere has got many different kinds of gases. Understood? About 3/4 of the earth is covered with water. So to show this, I have a model of the earth. This is called as globe. Idakke enanta karitare? This is called as globe, and this is model of the earth. Idakke enanta karitare? Model of the earth. Gadaita? The earth exactly looks like this when you look from the space, and it is the model of the earth. And if you see, it is completely blue. Maximum blue ide tane idralli. Why? Because the blue shaded part are called as oceans. Water. Enanta karitare? Large water bodies. See, there are two things. One is land masses, another is water bodies. Yenidave? Land masses matte water bodies. Land masses are nothing but continents, bar countries, and these water bodies are nothing but seas and oceans, and these oceans cover the earth in the ratio of 3/4. Mukkal bhaga. Ee earth Indian mukkal bhaga ideyala, it contains only water. For example, if you come closer, you can see Indian Ocean. Can you see Indian Ocean? Now see here, North Pacific Ocean. What is this? North Pacific Ocean. Then also you can see there is North Atlantic Ocean. Alva? So you can also see that this is South Atlantic Ocean. Alva? See, South Pacific Ocean. So the earth is covered with many big oceans. Got it? So 3/4 of the earth means mukkal bhaga earth Indian cover agide water, and 1/4 part of the earth is covered with land. Understood? The land masses are called as continents or countries, and the water bodies are called as seas or oceans. Understood, children? Now next, let us study more about the shape of the earth. Do you know what is the shape of the earth, children? What is the shape? Yav shape nallide? Rounda? No. The earth is, say for example, the shape of earth is not round. It is called as spherical. Shape of the earth is spherical. SPHERICAL. Shape of the earth is called as spherical. Nevelru globe nodidre tane? I'll show you the globe once again. See, this shape is called as the spherical shape, and it is slightly, as you come closer, you can see it is slightly flattened from the top and slightly flattened from the bottom. So this kind of shape is called as spherical shape. Got it? So this kind of shape is called as spherical shape, and this shape was discovered. ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ earth ಯಾವ shape ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಯಾರು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ್ರು ಇದನ್ನ? Do you know who explored the shape of the earth? The famous explorer called as Ferdinand Magellan. He was a famous explorer who discovered the shape of the earth. discovered the shape of the earth. So that's all for today. We'll study about more about the earth in the next class.